Hello students, in last video we did the summary of chapter 1 Mustaqbil. Now today we will do some exercises like word meaning and question answers related to that chapter. Let's get started. Word meaning and their use in sentences. So the first word is honest, means truthful. The teacher was an honest man. Second word, simple, means plain or not cunning. His wife was a simple lady. Next word is decided, means made up his mind. He decided to give the money to his wife. Next, conversation, means a talk between two or more people. Their neighbor heard the conversation. Next, returned, came back. The teacher returned home. Next, stupid, means foolish. Don't be stupid. And the last one is ruined, fallen down. You have ruined me. Now next is question answer. So the first question is, what plan did the teacher think of? What plan did the teacher think of? Answer is, the teacher decided to give the small sum of money to his wife to keep safely. Next question, describe his wife. His wife was a good and simple lady. She was not educated. And the next question is, what did the teacher tell his wife? Answer is, the teacher told her to keep the money safely for Mustaqbil, means for future. And the last question is, how did the neighbor cheat her? That neighbor told his name Mustaqbil and asked for money. Now see the next type of question, who spoke to whom and when. So the first sentence is, keep the money safely, it is for Mustaqbil. The teacher said to his wife, when he decided to give the small sum of money to his wife. The next sentence is, who are you? What do you want? So the answer will be, the lady asked the neighbor when he knocked on her door. Next sentence, I have come to collect the money which your husband told you to keep safely for me. The neighbor told the lady when he went to her house to take money. And the last sentence is, oh, what have you done? Who said to whom? The teacher said to his wife when he heard that his wife gave money to their neighbor. First question is, give the opposite of foolish, truthful and honest. And next question is, imagine that your home has been robbed while you were away. Write a letter to a friend telling him or her about the theft.